We know that the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to p. And we want to find what the value of x minus p is. So in order to solve this equation, since it's absolute value, we know that x minus 2 is equal to positive p, or x minus 2 is equal to negative p. We know that because of the absolute value sign. So if we solve these two equations, we can add 2 to both sides. We get either that x is equal to p plus 2, or x is equal to negative p plus 2. So if we're solving for the value of x minus p, we can plug in these two values for x. So in this case, x minus p would be equal to p plus 2 minus p. The p's cancel out, we just get 2. If we plug in this value for x, we get negative p plus 2 minus p, or 2 minus 2p. So we know it has to be either one of these two values. We can already eliminate 3 of the answer choices just from this information. But how do we decide which one is the right answer? Well, we know that x is less than 2. So if we plug in a value for x in this domain, let's say x is equal to 1, only one of these values should work for the value of x minus p. When x is equal to 1, the value of x, the absolute value of this expression, 1 minus 2, is equal to the absolute value of negative 1, which is equal to 1. And this is our p-value. So what is x minus p? Well, it's equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. And 0 is not equal to 2. So we know this is incorrect, but let's just show that C is our correct answer. So we know that x minus p is equal to 0. Let's just prove that 2 minus 2p is also equal to 0. So we know our p-value is 1. 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So this is the answer choice that works. Our value of x minus p is equal to C, 2 minus 2p.